so much for stopping by. Thank you so much to each and every new subscriber that has joined us. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my world. In today's video, we are going to do a deep cleaning to our oven. The reason why I decided to do this video is because I really searched on the internet to find a solution on how to clean the oven glass door, but I couldn't find a solution. So that's why I decided to do this video and maybe help someone who is also struggling like I was. When you open the door, there are no screws around the glass, so there's no way I was going to remove that glass. So the only other alternative I had was to remove the door. Again, I had a challenge because I couldn't find any information or any video on the internet on how to remove a door, especially for this brand that I'm using, which is Ariston. I really struggled, but eventually I figured out how to remove the door, and this is how I did it. Let's talk about how filthy and greasy and rusty this door looks. But you guys, don't you worry, because we are going to do a very satisfying cleaning of this door, and we will all be happy when we see the end product. We will all be happy when we see the after cleaning. So stay tuned, guys. So for the cleaning products, I'm going to use baking soda, dish detergent, and water. Mix them together, make a paste, and that's what I'm going to use to clean the door. By applying the paste all around the door, and then left it to sit for about 30 minutes as I cleaned the inside of the oven, which I didn't film because the lighting was not so good, so you guys could not see anything I was doing. Then after 30 minutes I started scrubbing it. So to clean in between the glass, I used this piece of metal, which is actually an old curtain rail, and then I wrapped a towel around it. But to be on the safe side, it's always good to use a piece of wood to avoid scratching the glass. edges, I decided to use a toothpick to go in and get all that dirt out. For so long, this is how the door turned out. It's clean, you guys. I can see through the glass. I'm so excited and I'm so happy, though it's not as clean as I would have loved it to be, but so far so good. Now that I know how to remove the door and how to clean it, I'll be doing this maybe once a month or twice a month, depending on how I'm going to use the oven. But I'm so happy with the results, you guys. Let me remind you how this door was looking like. Let me show you the before. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me up to this point. I'm going to return the door, or rather reinstall it, and the process is not hard. It's just as simple as we removed it, and just be gentle and everything will be okay. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share with a friend. If you have learned something, just comment down below. And thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Peace, love, and prosperity. Love you guys.